Several days later.
What's this? What's this? Hey! Where'd you get this? You bought it? Well, I guess we did need a new tent. What's going on, everybody? Will and Owen here with Last Minute Adventures, and today we are going to unbox our brand new tent. Alright, go ahead and open it up.
Let's see.
Here's your zipper on this side.
Bags.
Alright, so this is the OneTigris canvas 2 to 4 person tent with the stove jack. As you guys all seen, we've got the stove already, so we are excited to move up and use this one. This is our first time owning a canvas tent also, so learning curve for all of us. Owen's got the pole, the center pole there. And we'll slide that guy. Then you can open it up. There you go.
Now I have the center pole open.
Yeah, let's see here.
Now I'm gonna completely.
Yeah, it should be on. This bag's all of our guy lines. Those look reflective. And we got some tent stakes. I wonder if those glow in the dark. I don't think so. Yeah, you can put one up there, right there. Let's see here.
Bag, and then inside that bag is packed bags, and then inside that bag's the pole.
Are you gonna be able to get all those bags off?
Yep.
All right.
So how do I stick
So hold the top.
Oh wait, I think I have an idea. There's a hole here. There's holes.
So we'll put them in there.
Press the button.
And the other middle piece.
Can I try?
Yep. Oh, flip it around. Alright, so we're not going to be able to, obviously we don't have this stake down. I always like to do the indoor test before we take it outside. Holes that you're going to put stakes in, they're going to be your 4 primary ones. And then you would lift it with the rod and then stretch it out, put the rest of the stakes in, and then get the guidelines out. But we're going to try to put the rod in it just to get an idea of how it looks. Okay. Once you get in there, hold the rod up straight. You got it?
Yeah.
And there you go. You just put your child in the middle, not included. I had to buy the child separately to hold the pole up for you, but you go to get you one of those and then have them hold the pole up for you while you check the tent. This one will also allow for you to have the porch on it, the front. It's got the 2 doors. The one door will open up kind of as you can prop up with a separate pole as a porch. From what I understand, what I'm seeing, it does not come with a pole for that, so you could probably use a tree branch, stick, or what I'm going to do is the teepee tent we're retiring, I'm going to take the pole system from that because it used a single pole and see if I can modify it to use as a porch pole and then just include it in the bag. So I do have one bonus item to review for everyone that we picked up, and I haven't used this yet either. So as I mentioned before, I wanted to pick up a small saw to cut the split wood in half quickly and efficiently for the stove. And so we got something. Got this little deal right here. This I got off Amazon for, I believe it was $28.99. Comes with a pair of gloves. This is our saw, 4-inch, 2 batteries, charger, 2 additional chains, including the 3rd one already coming installed on it. And then a couple little tools there to adjust and change the chain on it. So I haven't charged this up or anything, so it should work just a little bit, but fire that up there. I think that's going to do it for this one. We appreciate you all stopping by. Again, we put videos out every Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern, so be sure to drop by, see what we got going on. Fold it up. You fold it up real quick, put it away.
No, I don't remember.
Well, I don't remember how to fold it up. You were supposed to remember how to fold it up.
I don't remember how to fold it up.
Oh boy.
Remember to like and subscribe.